Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In the previous videos, we have seen overview of control structures and sequential execution. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about conditional statements. Conditional statements, the following are the conditional statements. Simple if else, if else and nested if. We'll discuss one by one. First, we will discuss about simple if statement. The if statement is used to test a specific condition. If the condition is true, then if block code will be executed. Means if we want to execute some block of code when the condition is true, then we use the simple if statement. This is the flowchart of simple if statement. If the condition is true, then the block of code will be executed and exit. If the condition is false, directly it will exit. Syntax of this simple if statement is first if keyword, then space, write condition, colon. Press enter. After pressing enter, it leaves 4 spaces for indentation. We have already discussed about indentation in the introduction videos. This indentation is used for representation of block of code. If the condition is true, then only this block of code will be executed. Otherwise, it will not enter into the if block. We'll see one example. Here, I will take variable name as number equal to, here I will take input function to give input from keyboard. In this, I will write a message as enter a number, colon, space to display. Then I will convert this input into integer format by keeping this in int function. Press enter. Here I will take if condition. If keyword space write condition. Here I will write condition as number greater than 0 and colon. Enter. Here it leaves 4 spaces for indentation to represent block of code and start writing block of code. Here I will use print function to print output. Print of number comma in double quotes I will write is positive. We'll see code line by line. First line is to give integer value to variable number. Second line is if statement. If the condition number value greater than 0 is true, then it will enter into if block. Next line, print function. It will print number value and is positive because positive is in double quotes. So it will print as it is. We will run the code. To run this code, we need to save the file. After compilation, it will ask us to enter value 5. Then the output is 5 is positive because in if statement, the condition is number greater than 0. Here, 5 is greater than 0. So, we got output as 5. 5 is positive. Again, we'll run the code. Now, I will give the negative number, -1. We don't get any output because here in if statement, -1 greater than 0 is false. So, it will not enter into if block. So, we don't get any output. This is about simple if statement. Next, we will discuss about if else statement. The if else statement is similar to if statement. It also provides the block of the code for the false case of the condition to be checked. In if statement, we have only one block, that is true block. But in this, we have both true and false blocks. If the condition provided in the if statement is false, then the else statement will be executed. Means if the condition is true, then if block code will be executed. If the condition is false, then else block code will be executed. This is the flowchart of if else statement. Here, if the condition is true, then if block will be executed. If the condition is false, false block will be executed. Means else block of code will be executed. Next, Syntax of if-else statement. First, if keyword, space, condition and colon. Press enter. It will leave 4 spaces for indentation and write block of code. Next, enter. To exit this block of code, press backspace. Else keyword. Here we don't write any condition. We use colon. Press enter and write else block code, means false condition block. We'll see one example. I will create a new file. Here I will take variable name as number equal to input function. In brackets I will write message in double quotes, enter a number, colon, space. I will convert this input into integer format by keeping this input function in int function. Enter. If keyword, space, write condition as number greater than 0, colon, enter. Print in brackets in double quotes positive number, enter, and press backspace to exit from block. Else keyword, colon, enter. Print in brackets in double quotes negative number. Run the code. To run this code, we need to save the file. Then it asks us to enter a number. I will enter negative number -6. Then the output is negative number because the condition is number greater than 0. Here number value is -6. So -6 greater than 0 is false. So we got the output as negative number. Again I will run the same code. Now I will enter positive number 16. Then the output is positive number because the condition number greater than 0 is true. So we got the output as positive number. This is about if-else statement. Remaining 2 statements we'll see in next video. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.